Hello everyone, this is Kusmaharnath Babu Viparla, studying for BTech in Kalam Harnath Institute of Technology. Now I'm discussing about the internship of IoT-based home automation system. Thanks to Emertxe for giving this opportunity to present the PPT or what I have discussed about during internship. The internship contains mainly 4 weeks, and these are the four categories. These are the stages that is discussed in internship. That is overview. This is internship create and understand how IoT and embedded systems. It is important for IoT, and it is used for career opportunity in field. And we can be and during the internship period they are accessing to students with weekly test and understanding the concept with the help of the project using simulators guide and providing guidance to the freshers. In week one, the overall this internship contains 4 weeks. In this week one, this covers about primarily C programming. Why C? Because of C programming only we can convert. This is the first language that used for talk with hardware. It is called embedded C, and it is used to communicate with the hardware using C language only. And introduction, the topics discussed: introduction to C, number conversions like delta decimal to hexadecimal to binary, and binary to decimal, the hexadecimal, etc. So on. The number conversions are covered, and basics of C and concepts that are covered in C language are conditional structures, loops, operators, arrays, pointers, user defined data types, OOPs, object oriented programming through C language, and functions, recursions, strings, storage caches, header files, macros, and C++. In C++, OOPS topics also covered. Thank you. OOPS topics also covered. And next topic was IoT. Introduction to IoT. What is IoT? It is an Internet of Thing is a network, is a physical object of thing that is embedded electronic software, sensors, actuators, and a network connectivity which able to object and collect the exchange information or data is called IoT. It works with four categories. Collect means takes information from sensors, uh, communicate through the data, and analyze the data, and actuate means perform the data. Here collect means sensor, act means actuators, acting the process we use to control from one device to another device by clicking one button. uh, Structure of IoT. IoT contains mainly sensors, actuator, embedded system device, and cloud. It is the main from of IoT. It is the main heart of the IoT cloud. Importance. The main of IoT is to cost reduction, efficiency, productivity, etc. Challenges. IoT increasing day by day challenges in security, connectivity, quality control, etc. Applications used in automations like household automation, industry automation, agriculture automation, medical, so on. In medicals like hospitals, they are used in surgery, treatment, etc. Future of IoT. In nowadays, IoT is becoming most popular. The leading of IoT is AI. AI means artificial intelligence with robotics and security. Embedded systems. The next topic is embedded systems. Embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software by designing for a specific desired function. Embedded system is also function with a large system that can be programmed with have fixed functionality. An embedded system can be considered a computer hardware system with the software embedded in it. It can be independent system or it can be part of a large system. It can be a microcontroller or microprocessor based on the system design that is used for a particular preferred task. The next topic is Arduino. Arduino is an open source hardware and software company project that uses to communicate and designs and manufacture single board microcontroller and processor kits are building using these devices. Arduino Uno. It is the Arduino Uno is the one of the Arduino device that is used for the soft internships. It contains mainly Atmega 328 and it contains everything needed supports in microcontroller with a simply connect to a computer USB cable of AC to DC and DC to adaptive battery, or it can be run by battery and it can be run by a USB cable also. And softwares and technology used is first one is Arduino, and second one is Pixim third one is VJ virtual serial portal, and fourth one is Blink IoT mobile application. In Arduino, it is Arduino ID is a Arduino integrated development environment, is a platform that is used to communicate via coding through the hardware, and Pixim Lab is the software that is used to interface the sensors actuators virtually in the Pixim Lab. A virtual series port, it is a serial port that is helped to create ports for the Pixim Lab. And Blink IoT mobile and applications, it is used to control the hardware kit from one other to another using via platform called Blink. And here in this we discuss about the LED also. In LED, it is a light emitting diode. It contains a semiconductor that glows when voltage is applied. It works on implementing and interfacing, writing a code, turn it off, and using LED using simulator on Arduino. LCD. LCD is a liquid crystal display. It's a flat panel display for another electrically modulated or optically device. It when it is polarized, the liquid crystal does not emit light directly. It does not emit light directly, but it produce a reflector that produce black color or called monochromic color. It works like this. It works. It implementing and interfacing to write a code to display and string on LCD using similar Arduino. Next, week 2. Project overview, and is the final topic of week 2, project overview and the details, and they discussed about the project and the details. Project discussion, in this what is what we are to performing the project, they are discussing it. Aims and objectives, what are the aims and what are the objectives to perform the project. Requirements and challenges, what are the requirements, what is the necessary to things that is used for a project, and what are the challenges, means what are the errors and what are the corrections you can, what are the errors you came through the project, and how do you rectify there is challenges, they are discussed in the week. And sensors like LDR and temperature system and serial tank interfacing implementing will be covered. Documentation and the project due is discussed on the week to end. And week 3, it is LDR, light dependent resistor, are used for detect and light levels, example in automatic street lights. When LDR is closed, means output bulb will close. When LDR is at open, the bulb will on. It is used for security purpose also. And the LDR works is a PWM is a technique for getting analog results with digital means. Implementing it can be implement interfacing by writing a code to control the brightness of LED using LDR simulation Arduino. Next one is temperature system. The temperature system is a sensor is used for reading and displaying the temperature on LCD, changing temperature with the buttons and displaying same on the LCD. Turning off the heater when the temperature rises beyond 35 degrees Celsius, displaying the heater and the cooler are on the LCD, reflecting the same on the Blink IoT mobile app also. And serial tank, it is the serial tank and it is working. Create buttons to turn on off the an inlet and outlet valves and display the same on the LCD in Blink mobile app. Display the volume of the water present in the tank that LCD Blink app mobile. If the tank is full, they automatically turn off the inlet valve. If the water values become to 2000 liters, then the automatically turn off the inlet value. What is Blink? It is an IT platform for iOS or Android smartphone that is used for control Arduino, Raspberry Pi, NodeMCU via etc. And so on devices that can be controlled via internet. This is a application used for create a GUI, graphical user interface, and HMI, human machine interface. The covered downloading, how to download the Blink, how to create an account, how to create a template, how to create a dashboard, and how to interface, how to create a data items, data streams and creating data streams with widgets using mobile phones, etc. Ethernet shield. It is the main of the Arduino. The Arduino Ethernet shield allows the Arduino board to connect internet using internet library onto reading the Android and SD card using SD library. Why do we need an Ethernet shield? Generally, we need to get this doubt. The Ethernet is a small circuit that helps the Arduino to communicate with Ethernet. How to use Ethernet shield? The topic discussed in how to we implement the Ethernet shield. What are the advantages, drawbacks, disadvantages for Ethernet shield also covered. Pro implementation. The project implementation is covered in the final topic of week 3. The implement of the project is followed by the documentation and first implementing LDR, implementing of LCD temperature along with the Blink mobile app, implementation of serial tank and connecting with IoT mobile app. At the end of the combining to build a project and fulfill our requirements, and these are the project codes that are covered in these are some of the screenshot that of the project. It is a big, huge codes of them, we can't provide like that, so we provide a screenshot of that. The lines are so the lines are so much that the slides are not enough, so we kept screenshots of the file location. the, this is the file location and this is the codes, and I will discuss the codes in next few minutes. And this is the provide demo of output, and this is the Blink dashboard where the online processes work done here. And the week 4 is the main part of the 4 week is main part of the internship is workshop. Disha workshop means providing a guidance to a student who for every student in Emertxe or every employee in the Emertxe to get career guidance from program for freshers, resume building, pros, importance and tips, interview preparation, mindset, do's and don'ts, etc. And next later I discuss about this full code of the home automation using Blink control. This is the loop concept, and it is the setup concept. And here we can see that the temperature handle of tanking, and we can see the heater control and Blink control which update the temperature, and it is a virtual pin, a Blink right here, and it is a Blink module, and these are the peripherals that you declare in main global declaration, and it's the main.h. This is the Wi-Fi module control, and it's the temperature. It's the temperature components. Temperature in saved files. It is the main function, and it is temperature.head. It is also main serial tank, and it is a LDR sensor. In every program, in every temperature serial tank and there contains C and header files. And this LDR, when LDR is high, means LDR resistance is high, then the LED will on. LDR resistance is low, then LDR is off. Means LDR resistance is low at closed region, is high at open region. When we increase slowly, we can see that the LED is glowing. Now we implement connecting a Blink app using Blink IoT. Now we can see the temperature and volume of the tank. It is a temperature sensor. We can see it is accurately from mobile and hardware. When we turn on the cooler is turned off, and turn off the cooler is turned off. Heater, simply, you can see that temperature is rising rapidly. If the temperature increase at 35 degrees Celsius, temperature automatically turn off. We can display the notification from the notification bar. And you can see that the serial tank. We turn on the serial tank from Blink app, the automatically it's turned on. You can see in separate tab. When the tank get full, it is automatically turned off by getting a notification. We can see that our inlet is turned off at full state. Now we can outlet it, we can remove excess water. We can tap once again, tap two times, harvest, and just checking the process. When we turn off the outlet valve, we start decreasing rapidly. When the value is up to 2000 and decrease the less than 2000, then it will automatically fill down. So we can see that notification, the value is decrease less than 2000. So automatically inlet value is turned off and outlet is turned off. Inlet is turned on and outlet is turned off, and we can pass the tank. So we can, like this is the process we can do the home automation. Thanks for the Emertxe for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I will thank you.